To manually sync your safe Wi-Fi networks info to Samsung Cloud in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap connection, and then tap Wi-Fi. Next, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then select advanced setting. Tap sync with Samsung Cloud, and then tap sync now to manually sync your safe Wi-Fi network information to Samsung Cloud. As a note, you can use sync now option for certain conditions, such as when you are about to use your safe Wi-Fi network information in another device and you want to make sure that the sync data uses in another devices is the newest one. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.